Vaccine mandates. More companies, as you know, are choosing to mandate vaccines here in Arizona and across the entire country for that matter.
So Erin joining us live right now to explain the legal ramifications behind these mandates. Good morning, Erin.
Good morning, guys. Yes, we're seeing more companies kind of require that their employees return to work being vaccinated. A lot of people have questions about whether or not this can be enforced and what their rights are. So joining me this morning is attorney Joshua Black. Good morning.
Good morning.
Joshua, first set the scene for us. With a vaccine like this that's basically only authorized so far for emergency use, can a vaccine mandate be enforced?
The likely answer is yes. We have an agency called the EEOC, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, and they're an agency that's a federal agency tasked with looking at employee rights and discrimination. And so far, their guidance has been that if the vaccine is either authorized or approved by the FDA, then employers can mandate it. So far we're seeing that even an authorized vaccine like this, where it doesn't have full approval, can be mandated. And certainly in the private sector, employers are already doing it, and it's being upheld in various states.
So locally, we're already seeing a lot of employers kind of implement this. Can someone be denied employment because of his or her vaccination status?
Likely, yes. Now, there could be some exceptions. For the average person, if they are going into a job in Arizona, they're working under what we call at-will employment. And so the idea with at-will employment is that your job is kind of a take it or leave it. You are the person that you are as a job candidate. You present all of your abilities, credentials. Your company says, this is what we're willing to offer you. Vaccine could be part of those requirements, just like they can require other issues. They can require you to, for instance, abstain from criminal activity. They could require you not to post certain inflammatory things on social media if it would come back and hurt the company. So with an at-will employment situation, there's always this analysis of here's what the company has to offer and here's the responsibilities that come with that. I can take it or leave it.
So let's say that you are employed by a company that does end up enforcing a vaccine mandate. Is that company required or do they have to make any exceptions or accommodations for you if you choose not to get vaccinated?
In some instances, yes. It would really depend on what your reasoning is for choosing not to be vaccinated. If you have a sincerely held religious belief that interferes with vaccination, so if your religion prohibits vaccination or there's some tenet of your faith that is really, again, sincerely held, it's something that has to be shown, it's part of your religion, it can't be just something that you decide. But if you have a religious reason, absolutely, your employer should work with you to provide some kind of alternative to getting vaccinated. Similarly, if you have a disability or other health concern and you feel, or your doctor really feels that vaccination would somehow harm your health, again, your employer should have a reasonable accommodation process where you can talk to them and discuss potential alternatives.
All right. Thank you so much, Joshua. And coming up, guys, in the next hour, stay with us because we'll dive deeper into the issue of if you have some medical reason, legitimate medical reason or religious beliefs that prevent you from getting the vaccine. And I'll send it back to you.